Welcome guys back to groovyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to unhide all columns in Excel. The first option we're going to be using is right click. So as you can see, columns B, C, and D are missing. What we're going to do to unhide them is we're going to hit Control A, go until we see two parallel lines, right click, and then select unhide. The other option is we hit Control A to select all, then we go to Format, go to Visibility, hover over Hide and Unhide, then select Unhide Columns. And then the third option, which this is where it gets a little complicated, so I'll try to put the keys up again to show you which keys to press. So what you're first going to do is press Control A, then you're going to hold down the Alt key, press H, and then press O, U, L. One key at a time, and your hidden columns will now be visible. Another simple tip you can use just to unhide columns is we'll go and see that column C is missing. So we're gonna wait till we see those parallel lines, right click, select unhide. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed the video and learned something, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one.